When people start working on executive presence, a really common approach people take is they think to themselves, I just need to learn the right words to say. If I can express myself in a way that is crisp and polished, that is going to elevate my executive presence. And while it's true that the words that you say impact how much credibility you have when you speak, executive presence comes from something much deeper than just saying the right words. If it was just about saying the right words, then everyone would just memorize those words and it would be easy to get good at executive presence. The reason that it's hard is because it comes from something deeper. It comes from your identity as a leader. The stronger your leadership identity is, the stronger your executive presence will be. The way that I'm going to teach you this is I'm going to share a framework that I created. It's called the Leadership Identity Triangle. This triangle is comprised of the 3 different mindsets that you can adopt when you are in the room, and depending which mindset you adopt, that is going to impact your executive presence. The 3 mindsets on the Leadership Identity Triangle are: number 1, prioritizing yourself; number 2, prioritizing others; and number 3, prioritizing the business. So I'm going to start with prioritizing yourself. When I say prioritizing self, what I mean is when you are in a work meeting, you are prioritizing you. Most of your mental attention is going towards thoughts like, I want to sound good. I want to look good. I want to appear smart. I don't want to sound stupid. I don't want to embarrass myself. You're in a headspace of prioritizing how you appear in the room. This is a very normal and human response, and it does impact your executive presence. When you're thinking about how you appear in the room, this is usually going to result in you speaking up less because you're being highly selective about what you share. You're not going to ask questions because you don't want to unintentionally look stupid. And also because your attention is focused on how you appear, you're not paying as much attention to the actual conversation, which means you limit yourself in terms of the quality of the contributions that you can make in the room. This is going to impact your executive presence because that lack of active, deep participation means that people aren't really going to see the real you showing up and leading and speaking up powerfully in the room.